Alright, what's up Pro Tools users? My name's Bryce and I am going to show you today how to automate an effect in Pro Tools. The most popular effect people have been using lately is the low pass filter, like a sweep, where it comes from a very drowned out sound and then comes to life by bringing the frequency up. So first let's go ahead and add an EQ. You can use any EQ, but I'll just use the Waves Q1 today. This is simple. You turn the EQ on and set it to low pass. Now up here you have automation. You turn that button on right there, right below where it says auto, and we can add a couple of parameters. So we can say frequency, add that, and we can say on and off. We can add that as well. So click OK, and we can zoom in our track here, and we can now, when we click over here where it says waveform, sometimes it'll say something else depending on if you've done any other automation, but this is basically what you're viewing. So you got now these new parameters that you can automate. So we're going to play with band 1 frequency. Let's close that out for now. Now I can actually change the frequency. Let's start somewhere around here, for instance. I can go ahead and pencil in some new points, and I'm kind of using the grid as a guide. If you don't use a grid, you're kind of stupid. Alright, I'm just gonna like make the frequency come in and out. Well, let's do something like that. I don't know. Whatever. Alright, you can hit play.
So sick with the rhymes I spit. Prime time in my prime pulling crimes and shit.
Alright, so you can tell that the frequency started off really low and got high, and then went low and got high. Pretty simple stuff. Now if we wanted to change whether or not this plugin is on, some people might really be picky about, processing power, or, maybe since the low pass is set to 21,000 hertz, they think that they can still hear it. So we can draw another point here, and we can drop, well, it didn't go exactly where I wanted it, but the thing is that nothing's forever, and I can set that back there. So now when I open the plugin, I did it backwards. Okay. We want this one, we want it off here. Okay. Alright. Long process to get where I wanted to get there, but it's on. You see it sweeping. And it's off. You can see when it passed the 5-bar mark here, it turned itself off because I told it to. Pretty much that's all you need to know. Once you figure out that, you can add more plugins, add more effects, change parameters all day, all night, and you'll really get a cool sound if you're not a retard.